Hello, hello. This is Donna Denson, the Dynamic Diabetic, coming to you today with a Diabetic Minute for everyone who wants to get and stay healthy. And today we're going to talk about your blood pressure, high blood pressure in particular, and essential oils. So what has essential oils got to do with your blood pressure? That's what we're going to talk about. So what is blood pressure? Do you understand that? Blood pressure is the force of the blood pumping through your heart and through your arteries. Okay, normal blood pressure is like 120/80. And what does that mean? Well, the first number is systolic pressure, and that's the pressure that is in your arteries when your heart beats, when it's pushing, okay? The second number is diastolic, and that is the pressure in your arteries between heartbeats. So that's what they're measuring. If your blood pressure is high, what that means is there's excessive force going through your heart and your arteries. So, essential oil and high blood pressure, how does that go? I love when I find things that are natural, things that we can do, home cure, if you will, things that we can do to help ourselves without medication. So if you're having a little bit of high blood pressure problems, you should know that 75 million Americans have that. It's called the silent killer, and it's called that because the symptoms are not obvious, okay? They're almost invisible. But your doctor may have told you sometime that your blood pressure is a little high, right? Well, essential oils actually really comes to the rescue on this, okay? Essential oils. I'm not talking about necessarily the brand essential oils, although they are excellent. But what I'm talking about is quality oils direct from the plant. Remember, for purposes here, you get what you pay for. Inexpensive oils tend not to have that quality that I'm talking about. So, but in particular, oils like lavender, clary sage, yang yang, neroli, marjoram, they all help to at least temporarily lower your blood pressure. So when you're feeling that stress, right? They can be used to massage your feet. They can be used a few drops in your bath water. And you can put them in a diffuser and inhale them as well. So there's different ways to get that oil to help your system. If you're someone who has a lot of stress and you need to relax, then essential oils are great. They actually reduce the cortisol, the hormone that is our flight or fight hormone, okay, that stress that's going on in us and causing us anxiety. So they're really good for that. Geranium improves your circulation, it calms you, and it lowers that blood pressure. Rosemary soothes inflammation, and we know inflammation causes everything, right? And clears stress, and then lessens the strain on your heart. So how simple is that, right? A few drops of oil can make a big difference in blood pressure. I never knew that. So I was excited to find that out because all of us can do that. All of us can. If you want a massage, by the way, you want to get a carrier oil like coconut oil or jojoba oil and put a few drops of the essential oils, like I just mentioned, into that, mix it up, and then take a little bit and massage it into your feet. It feels wonderful, first of all, especially my diabetics. Foot massage, one of the very best things. So if you use the oils now, not only are your feet feeling better and you're calm and you're relaxed, but that blood pressure is going down. So if you know someone who has high blood pressure, this is a great gift to them would be some essential oils that would help them, okay? I'm excited because, again, all of us can do this. It's a simple fix for simple high blood pressure. If you have a severe problem, obviously you're going to have medication. That's too dangerous to let it go. But a lot of us, just every now and then the doctor will say your blood pressure is high, or you can kind of feel it, kind of when you're getting that anxiety. use these oils. I hope you'll share the video today so that other people can help themselves on the high blood pressure issue. I hope I found you safe today. I hope I found you well. And you know, I always hope I found you happy. This is Donna Denson, the Dynamic Diabetic. Thank you for being here. Thank you for listening. May God bless and keep you until we connect again. Bye-bye. Have a wonderful day.